Laser. Oh. I should probably change the title of the video. I always forget to do that. Orientezo. I'm not talking, so can you guys hear me? I'm letting the chat fill up a little bit. Oh, not blue. What? That's pretty solid gap up. Oh, I'm tired today. That's a huge pump and dump. All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, June 11th. This is the sixth day that I've been live streaming. It's technically the fourth week I've been trading this demo account. I'm supposed to be getting my live account. I'm supposed to get it last week, but they've not gotten back to me yet. But eventually I will be going live with this TradeNet account. We ended last week on a green day, finally, after 4 days red. Just making some stupid mistakes, trading against the trend a lot. I'm going to try to hone down on just a few stocks today and really focus in on just one trade instead of trying to do a whole bunch of different things. Disclaimer, I am not a professional trader, or consider myself even a successful trader. You should always do your own due diligence and have your own trading plans to find your stocks. Do not follow any of my picks or trades or try to replicate them because these strategies aren't entirely tested through yet. I'm just a guy documenting my progress learning the stock market. uh, Hello, Wesley. I think today I'm going to be playing a lot of these stocks long instead of short, especially these overextended ones that have a solid pattern up. Blue. Yep, TradeNet. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot of reasons why not going green. Any advice is welcome. I'm trading against the main trend is one of them. Um, Holding my stops too tight, getting shaken out by the 1 minute. All right, Rock. Was the inverse of USLV? TSLV. I am not on it today. $37.03. uh, 'J-Nug's starting to get some parabolic moves going. Might trade that. 85. Bouncing from 85 cents to almost $14. Yeah, it's a pretty short move. I don't know if I want to get into that. I have the intro account, so $500 laser. And it's 28 times leverage, so I'll have $14,000 in buy or trading power, so I can trade the higher cap stocks. I'm not stuck to just penny stocks. Going through that right now. Tezo. I'm going to be trading Decay today. CHK. I might short CHK if it plays out correctly. Drip. It's going parabolic. Might leave drip up just to watch it. SLV. AMMU is double topping, $24 to $26 on the uptrend. I might play IMMU long. I mean, it's hard to say laser. I'm trusting. Yeah, I know, Rock. I know JNUG is consolidating. That's what I was thinking of, playing the 10 cent range. For some reason, I tend to do pretty good on ranging trades, like small scalps. Actually, one of my biggest days was I scalped like 500 bucks off of the top end of a penny stock, which was super dangerous and stupid. But I did pretty good on it. 23.73. Yeah, it might just hold. Well, we'll see where it opens at. HK. So I guess I'll be. I think I'm liking uh, for a range play on a consolidation. I think I'm liking drip just because the spread's more. We've got looking to be 80 or 60, a 20 cent move from 675 to 650. I like that play better than JNUG because the spread's better, so I'll get more profit with less slippage on a big order. But no, I'm not, Mark. I'm still waiting on them to start my live account. Let me throw you on here. You should be able to post a link now, Rock. uh, I'm wanting to go long today. I know that. CHK's got a solid setup though on a short triple topping, kind of off of the a week or two ago. Down to it's only a 40 cent short though. Yeah, TradeNet is outside the PT. MD. Oh yeah, it's a gapper for the day and an MD. 20 mil float. Gapped. What's that gap? 80% gap. You got in at 220. It's not a bad entry. I wish I could trade pre-market. I'm pretty sure I can't. Let me see if I can. MD. I'm pretty sure that's the downside to TradeNet is, yeah, I can't. Orders don't go in until opening bell. which sucks when you see like super easy setups like that. Pretty sure TradeNet won't allow you to pre-market anyways with the live accounts. They might, but I thought I read somewhere that they don't. What do I think about futures versus stocks? I don't know a whole lot about futures other than I use them to check to predict. Like if I'm trading JNUG, I'll use /GC to watch the futures, or /SI for silver, /NG for natural gas. But yeah, other than that, I don't know a whole lot about futures. Something I need to learn more about. It's just a $500 intro account. They give you 14 grand of trading power. Another. Oh, you're using yesterday open and closes. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to get caught into that gap. Not getting a whole lot of shares traded on IMMU. Daily average is 2.6 million. It's not bad. I need to do 10 minutes. Yeah, that's a gap that I don't want to get caught in. We'll just see what it does opening bell. Let's see. Setup I'm liking the most is you do a lot of commodity trading, Rock? Thinking about well, USLV. I could short USLV around the 1070s. EHK is looking like a solid short, maybe. MU went long yesterday, so that's probably going to be a consolidation day. Let me check my other. Breakout. QCOM. I mean, QCOM's got range to run to 63. It's on its low end right now. Daily average of 10 million. That's 1.4 billion though. It's going to move super slow. Let me throw my gap up real quick. AP. Morning, Jason. Yeah, you could do NMDM. I mean, here's my take on NMDM. Tell me if it's similar to yours. Rock, it's a gap fill. We've got resistance right there. It's bouncing off the current resistance. It almost hit the high of the other resistance. It's already overextended 70%. Past couple gap fills we've seen, it'll consolidate between this gap. It might hit the high and break up into the gap, but I'm definitely not going to play it right out of the bell. I want to see what the trend is on it. $14 million USRV. That's something I need to learn, is how to read the filings. I know you just usually you just look for like certain keywords. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's only 180 average volume. That's not a whole lot. That is a nice. What's the spread on this thing? 20 cents. 5. Yes, Mark. I can swing trade though. I use Ricky Gutierrez as a strategy for swing trading. I think an MU is going to be my opening trade. We'll see. We'll see what it does in the opening bell. Is it? What's the news on it? Yeah, it's hitting its highs from yesterday. It'll be a decent long if it breaks. or if it collapses, it'll be a pretty decent short. HK. Yeah, I'm not looking to stay in it super long if it is long. You mean 62.30s? It's already above 60.30. Yeah, it is pretty overextended, at least on the 10-minute. Okay. Drip's crashing. I'm gonna look to play drip or USLV about 11 o'clock, just as a range trade. See if any of them get a good pattern going. Is NNMD crashing? I don't know. Hitting the gap fill. It's already ripped. That was quick. MU, yeah, it looks like it's pushing to $3. Looking like we're gonna have another long day for MU. I want to see a pullback though. Entry. Yeah, I don't want to. I want to get into it under $62. We're looking for at least a 50-cent move. TPI. Oh, what blue? Yeah, and an MD's too overextended for me. I'd rather play it short once it shows a double bounce. I seem to be getting pretty good shorts on these high runner stocks after they double top. Play the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg down. All right, here we go. MU down to the 662 mark. I'm going to try to get in if it breaks below 62. Throw up a limit order. Yeah, it looks like I missed it. Try to get in at like 62.03, but doubt we'll get it. Fossil is cracking. Is this the pullback day finally for Fossil? Yeah, I didn't get on an MU. That would have been a nice entry. Fossil breaks down below that, I might get in. It's a special study given to me, Tony. I can't talk about it or share it or even tell you what it is. I was asked to keep it confidential, so I'm going to respect that. All right, looks like I'm going to go ahead and get into MU long, try to, at $34 for 100 shares. All right, we're in MU on 300 shares. Look for it to, I'm going to get out at probably the 50s. It'll be a quick trade. I probably could have got a fill better at the. I'm trying to. I'm trying to figure out this yellow line, Rocky. So that's why I'm in this right now. There we got in it. Got out half there. Got out the other half there. It's $40 profit. Quick move. Probably is going to go long more than that, but it is kind of overextended on the normal lines. Yeah, that wasn't really a chase for me, Rocky. The yellow line tells me that it's going long, so I knew it was at least going to bounce off the 50, so it's a quick scalp. I don't want to stay into it though, because it is pretty overextended, like you said, from the previous days. It's on like this range right here. I see your strategy. It would have been much better to get in at the $6 flat because it is overextended. But OASA, this is another stock that I'm looking at. Already way over. I need a pullback though. Back down into the 60s probably. Got a easy fill back up to the 80s from yesterday, but looking like it's already going to get there. Yeah, that MU fill would have been $100 right there if it had pulled back, or if I'd gotten in at 62 flat. Bit. it's on its high. Morning's in. And CHK is pretty damn close to its 52-week high. No, 52-week high is $5.28. So it's got another quarter move, but it was rejected last time. Check out drip real quick. Drip's on its low end. I'm gonna pull up CHK. This might be a decent short. And I'm gonna be right back. All right. HFC is this flipped. HFC. $0.06 spread. I think I might just call it a day. I've got a lot of stuff to do today. And I already made decent. I'm green right now. Might as well just leave it at that. Not seeing any fantastic setups right now. Check out NNMD. Got to pull back. Yeah, I could keep trading and try to find picks, but I'm gonna treat that $39 as $390. Is that one day? That's what it'll be when I'm trading with big enough size. I'm happy with that. My demo account is through TradeNet. BWE. Yeah, that would have been a good entry at full dollar move. Whoa, it's a 20-cent spread though. That's too much spread for me. MU's back down to 20s. That was a good quick scalp right there on MU. I'm happy with that. I could play the ranges on drip, but 10-cent move on drip, it's going to take too long. Hey, Rock, can you link your YouTube channel? I don't know how to click on it for. Blue quit. What? So looks like based on the yellow line, it's cracking on. Yeah, Macy has flipped. I'm always kind of leery on using technicals on these super low float stocks. Typically, the lower the float, the more technicals do not work. You have to go off price action and volume. Okay, I think I'm just going to call it a day. I got to run out and get some stuff done. Quick recap. We scalped MU on a quick trade. Let's see what our entry was. We had an entry at 62.34. I probably could have got a better entry on that at 9.39. So 1 minute real quick. My entry was right here. My exit was 9.41 at an average of 46 and 48, so we'll call it 47. So 2 minute trade, 39 bucks, super quick scalp, bouncing off of I was basically looking for it to rebound off the 61.25 and then get out of it before it hits 50 because it was gonna, come back probably, which it did. Now it's going short for the day. That's probably a pretty good short play actually. I might stick around and short this. Well, it's already collapsing. I missed the move. All right. I don't know how you. Oh, so you have them unlisted. You just set them to them. Okay. Damn. That's a really good short play. If MU pulls back into the 90s, I might get into it. I'm gonna short at 93. See if I can get in for 300 shares. Short NNMD. Oh, it's cracked too. Yeah. The resistance down to 50s. What, 10-cent move? Yeah, I like to play. I like to play the fourth leg on these low floats rock. So like once it bounces and comes back up to the threes, I like to short on that last one. I don't really like playing the second leg down, especially on 20 million float. Looks like I'm not going to get into MU in the 90s. If I don't get into this, I'm out of here. Well, I got filled. This is a pretty decent pullback. As long as it doesn't break 62, I'm good. If it gets up into 62.07, I'm gonna get out. Needed to hold under 60. Yeah, I might have got into this a little too early. I'm gonna downsize. Gonna downsize half. As long as it holds below 62, I think I'm good. I had a premature entry. I should have probably shorted it like 60 or 96 cents or 97 cents. My average is 93, so yeah, it's a little early. Price action looks like it's turning now, so yeah, make a little bit of money. Looking forward to go back down to the 70s. Just another quarter move. Shorted at 99. It's holding, so I'm gonna try to get in a little better average. Now my average is 96. Yeah, it seems like the market's all over the place. Need this to crack fairly soon. If it doesn't, I'll probably get out of it. This is a long enough time for the pullback. I'm gonna do it half a limit buy in the 80s because I'm not liking this. Another limit buy at 91. I'm just going to get out of it. I'm not liking it. Try to get out. It's my entry. Pulls back to 3 cents. Come on, one more cent. Just going to get out of it. Hotkeys are not working. All right, yeah, I'm getting out of it because it looks like it's about to break back north. Nice. What was your initial entry, Rock, on X? $37.03. Oh, so you swung it from yesterday? Okay. Yep, that was good. I'm glad I got out of MU because now it's broke the it's getting above the 62. I'm assuming I am trading against the trade or trend on MU. It didn't break a pattern. Assuming this line right here needed to crack that more. Marty IQ hasn't broke its pre-market or its daily range. I mean, it is on the low end, but okay. So you saw this bull flag pattern right here. So you see, you got the big bull flag here on the X. What is this, 15 minute? Let me see if I got this right on X. Got the flag here, and then you got the resistance here. But you saw that it ripped up and did another bull flag or consolidation off the 200 EMA. So you predicted that it was going to go long. Fib off of the high and low. So yeah, it was bouncing off the 50. Oh, are these dynamic fit? Okay. I don't use TradeView a whole lot. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see the lines on the fib. Okay, so it held above the 50, so you went long on the swing. All right. Makes sense. Well, I wonder if X would be a good long then right now because it's coming back down to its daily open. All right, I said I was going to get out of here. I'm green. I'm going to call it. Hope everybody has a good day trading. I may stream later trying to build a spreadsheet for those that might have missed it this Saturday. I was live streaming for like 6 hours. Let me show you what I got so far. I'm building my trading journal. We spent about 6 hours this Saturday creating it, and it was kind of a pain in the ass because so so basically I can import in my own trades. Import, let's do load. Do my first week. So this data will all import. If I delete row, take these, fill. So this right here is a function. I've got index or I've got Google Finance, which pulls a bunch of data for me. It basically references the trading day that I traded and the ticker, and it will pull the previous day close, the open, the high of the day, the low, and the close, the yesterday volume and today's volume. And then also I've got these functions here, which calculate the high and the low and the open and close move and the position size and all that. So I'm trying to build a spreadsheet that will just auto-generate everything that I need for my trading journals. And then I'm going to start building separate sheets for each one of my patterns. So when I paste these trades in, I can come over here and click and basically set the type of trading or type of pattern that it is, and it'll auto generate into different forms and everything, and I'll be able to stat track all my stuff. So if you're interested in that, I might be working on this by later today. And I'll live stream it if I do. TradeView, yeah, I looked into TradeView. I might get like, do you have the paid version or do you just have the free version? MU? Okay. So what was your plan of action on MU Rock? Was it playing off of that right there? Just a trend? How did you get that 62.15 was the short? Just because of the resistance lines? Because it was holding at like the 20s? 5 cents off the point? Fib from the open close of the day? Okay, 61 fib. So you play the fibs on the daily as well. All right. Okay. Yeah, I really like fibs. I need to learn more about them. I was using them, but they were screwing me up because I was relying on them too much. All right, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Hope you all have a great day. All right, just send me. You can DM me on Instagram, Rock. It's linked below in my description of the video, or you might be able to DM me on YouTube, but YouTube DMs are a little weird.